Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag video featuring my mom's bag, the Neo Noe. I did unboxing of this bag probably like a couple weeks ago, and you guys seemed to like that video, so I just wanted to show you guys what you can actually fit in here. So that is why I'm doing this video. My mom was so generous and let me borrow it for a day, so it's really giving me that feeling of like my old bag. I really want it back. I've missed it so much by using it today. So yeah, let's see what can actually fit in here. If you're interested, then just keep on watching. Before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Marie Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, and I'm obsessed, and if you are too, then please consider to hit that subscribe button, also the bell notification button, so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is now going to be Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. I realized that I haven't done a video with my hair down in such a long time, and I'm so due for a haircut. I think I'm gonna go short this time. My hair is so long, it like won't even fit in the frame, but seriously. So we'll see how this goes. I might get tired of it and throw it up, but I really want to get bangs again, and just like cut it short. It's getting hot where I live and I just don't want to deal with it in the summer. But anyway, that is not what this video is about. So this is my mom's bag. I love this bag. This bag is so pretty. I love the color of the straps and the interior. It is stunning. So this is the Neo Noe. And this is the Damier Ben canvas with the saffron interior color. That's what it's called. It has these pull tabs, so you can open and close the bag, and this is what it looks like from the inside. I literally just threw my stuff in here today. I didn't bother organizing it. It was like a last minute thing. I was just like talking to my mom about bags, and she was like, you know what, you can use my bag today. I'm like, really? So I took advantage of that, took the opportunity and ran with it. So I just stuffed all my stuff in here. So the bag has a middle compartment, as you guys can see. So in there, I just usually put my phone. I have the Samsung S10 Plus. Sometimes I forget what kind of phone I have, honestly. But yeah, that just goes in the middle compartment because it's easy. I like to have my phone accessible when I'm out. So I just put that in the middle compartment like so, right there. And then I like this bag because it has two sections. The middle compartment isn't attached to the bottom of the bag, so things tend to slide. I think she's gonna get an organizer because I told her to get one, because for my old bag I had the same one, but everything would slide and just gets annoying because you try to organize it, but then it just slides underneath the bag. So yeah, that is that. But I'm just gonna start grabbing stuff out of the bag. So the first thing that I'm pulling out are the wipes that I always use. I rave about these. These are literally the best. They're called the Herb and Essentials. I have the lavender kind. They're wipes that sanitize your hands, but also you can use them if you're like at the gym and you want to freshen up a bit. These are perfect because they're all natural. So these wipes don't break me up, but usually other wipes do. Oh, my skin is so sensitive, so glad about that. The next thing that I'm pulling out is my lotion. I love carrying lotion with me, especially because I'm washing my hands 24/7 right now. This is a really good one. I love Bath and Body Works lotions. They're just so convenient because they do like travel size and they just smell so good, especially the summer kinds. They're amazing. The next thing that I'm pulling out are my Beats. I've really been into podcasts lately, so I like to bring those for when I'm out and about. The next things are my keys. Nothing new. The next thing, okay, so I posted a picture of these sunglasses on my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me. I'll put my feed and my name on the screen. So this is what they look like. I literally got these for so cheap. These were $15 and they're from Boohoo. Yeah, that's how you say it. Boohoo. I really love them, and they remind me of the like Saint Laurent cat eye glasses, but these are way cheaper. And yeah, I just really like them. They're chic. I'll try them on for you. So this is what they look like. They're just really cool. Just a little, like, if you don't want to try that day, or you know, they're just give it a little bit of style to your outfit. So I really like them. The next thing that I'm pulling out is my I literally pulled out all my packs. These are my vitamins. I have a like monthly subscription of Care of. You've probably heard of them through like Instagram influencers. I think I saw like an article on these before. Care of was like sending them to influencers, and I really thought it was interesting, and I always thought, like, wouldn't it be so much easier if a company like sent you vitamins each month? So I was so happy that I saw this, and I was just doing research on it and everything, so I found these, and they are just so convenient. They're so cute. They come in this whole like box of 30, so it's a pack a day that you take. I usually take mine in the morning when I'm having my coffee, but they're so cute. This is an up close of it. It'll focus. So here is what they look like. It says, "Hi Maria, my name." And on the packet it just says today's quote. So this quote says, "All you need in this life is ignorance and confidence. Then success is sure." Mark Twain. So in here I have fish oil pills, I have a turmeric, vitamin C, and a vitamin B. So that's what I take on a daily for my vitamins, and they're just convenient because I like to bring them or have some in my purse if I forget that day or whatever the case may be. So I like to carry a couple with me in my purse for that reason. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a receipt. Today I went to FedEx because I had to ship my YSL bag. I sold it over the weekend, so I shipped that out. I'm grabbing a couple more wipes that I have in my bag. The next thing is, we all know my favorite chapstick. This is the Burt's Bees Beeswax lip balm, and this stuff is amazing. Always have to have it with me. The next thing that I'm pulling out is my wallet. Well, this is the key pouch, but I use it as a wallet. I just stuff all my things in here, and it fits so much. Like, literally it is stuffed, and it just closes perfectly and doesn't bulge or anything. So this thing is my all-time favorite, SLG, and I'm trying to get my hands on one to do a giveaway for you guys, and it's so hard. I literally have been stalking the site and no luck. I did look, like, at the times people were recommending me, like 3 o'clock, 3:15. I was looking at like way late at nighttime. I was looking early morning, no luck. I'm still trying for you guys, but if not, then I'll just do the bandeau for the giveaway. But I don't want to quite give up yet for trying to hunt this down for you guys, but we'll see. If this week goes by, or maybe by Wednesday, I don't have any luck getting this, then I will do the bandeau, because I know I want to do this giveaway for you guys. So yeah, the next thing that I'm pulling out is my hand lotion. This is the CBD dry skin formula cream with borage oil. I don't know, but this is so good. Makes my skin so soft and keeps it soft too. And the next thing that I'm pulling out is handy dandy mask that I always wear when I'm out. If I do go out. I only have been going out a few times because I literally can't stay in the house anymore. I need to get out sometimes, and I love going on short walks, so that is very helpful. But when I'm going out, I obviously wear my mask. So next thing is another wipe, the Herb & Essential wipes, and that is pretty much it in my bag, or not my bag, my mom's bag. And this color, guys, is so stunning. I really love it, and I really loved enjoying this bag. I have to give it back to her, but it was nice using it. I really loved it. I miss my Neo Noe so much, so we'll see. That is everything that fits in this bag. You can fit so much more, but that was just my essentials for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you have any video suggestions or any questions about this bag, you can leave them down in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram. I love talking to you guys. You guys know this. And yeah, so I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, and we will get through this. Let's stay positive. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.